Good evening. It is Monday, May the 1st. I was pleasantly surprised that the bike came out of the shop in only a few days. I thought it was going to be weeks. So I hit 16,000 miles. I am riding with the new wiring harness from Blinker to Blinkers, front to back. They put a new fuel gauge sensor in. They changed the two intake manifolds because I had a leak. It's a cool night in upstate New York, so I will not be able to test the cruise control issue tonight, but I will be out tomorrow. It's supposed to be 72. I'll be on the New York State Thruway and hoping that I don't have a problem again. That's all for now. I'll keep you posted.